How to share Spotify song on Instagram story. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, tap on Playlists as shown here. Now select a playlist of your choice and tap on it. Choose and play a song of your choice. Then, go to the bottom and open the Now Playing screen. On this screen, tap on the share icon in the bottom right corner. Here, you can view all the sharing options available at the bottom, such as copy link, Snapchat, WhatsApp, TikTok, etc. Tap on Instagram Stories to share this song on your Instagram story. Wait for Instagram to open and then adjust your story page. After you're done, go to the bottom and tap on your story to share the story with your friends on Instagram. You can also choose close friends to share the story with only your close friends on Instagram. Following these steps, you can easily share Spotify song on Instagram story.